No way, I killed one of my biggest fish by accident. No way.
Princess, mommy needs to go to work, ha? Do you have everything you need in your bag? Yaya, paki-double check na. Yes, ma'am. Nakumpleto ko na po from recess to lunch. Okay, good.
Ihahatid niyo po ba ako hanggang sa room ko?
This is a giant.
Okay. Don't worry, nandiyan naman si Yaya, oh.
Pero I don't know anyone here.
You'll make friends. And besides, 1 year ka lang naman dito. Next year, I'll transfer you to a bigger and a nicer school. Is that okay?
Pero mommy, I'm scared. Come with me.
Princess, you have to learn to do things on your own. Look at you, you're so big already. Kaya mo yan. Now kiss mommy. Okay, good. Sige na, pasok na.
Wow, Tay! Dito po ba talaga ako mag-aaral? Ang laki-laki po!
I will be your homeroom advisor, and of course, I will be your second mommy here at... Oh, Iha, what's her name?
Ang pangalan ko po ay Princess, pero pwede niyo po akong tawaging Esang.
Okay, Esa. Oh, anong problem?
Aba!
CR po muna ako.
Hindi ko alam ganitong kakalap. Oh my gosh, this. I didn't know the actual size were these.
Pwedeng buong araw nandito si Yaya. Ganito na lang ang isipin mo. Silang lahat, yung mga yan, lahat yan
And this is a success fish. One of the biggest fish ever. Salmon.